Good day guys, today I'm going to be doing a new video for my BMW F Coupe. I'm going to be fitting a MTC bigger mount turbo intercooler. As you know, when you increase your car's power via remap or any other way, the engine temperature could rise. So what I've done, I've ordered MTC intercooler, and that should obviously decrease the temperature of the engine by at least 25% or even more. So obviously it'll keep the engine more cooler and gives it, and obviously you'll get the performance out of your remap or upgrade that you've done to your car's engine. So I'm going to show you guys the process. I'll also leave a link in the description, so if you want to purchase one, I'll leave the guys' details in, and hopefully we'll sort you out a discount. Guys, once your car is jacked up, what you need to do is get underneath, and you've got a few 8mm socket wrench to unloose. So you got one there, one there, one there, one on the other side as well, another one down there, and another one there. So that's really those ones you need to take off. I don't think you need to take off these other bolts that's at the front, and it's up to you. You can either take off the whole on the tray at the front, or you can just take off those first bolts that I pointed out to you guys. Alright, so let me just start on that. Guys, I just spotted there's a few more other ones you need to unloose. So there's one there, another one there, another one there, and another one there. So there's another 4 that you need to unloose as well. That's the bit that takes off, pull down the front bit. Once those are down, it's a simple thing as pulling it out, pulling it down. Be careful, there's a lot of dust. So you can see it's pulled the tray down. So there's a lot of dust up there, so be careful guys when you're putting it. So as you can see, you're right underneath the intercooler now. So the next process is to get up here. Let me get some light, show you guys. So guys, once we get underneath, we need to try and unclip this clamp, this clip here. You can see where I'm shining a torch. And the same on the other side. And obviously you can, there should be 2 bolts. So there's one bolt there, as you can see with the light shining, and there's one on the other side where you need to unclip to get into the actual intercooler itself and remove it. So let me try to do that and show you guys. Give me a sec. So guys, when you get on this bit here, there's that clip you need to unclip, and obviously just pull the intercooler down and it should come off. I've already loosened the bolts at the side, and this clip is clipped in to the middle, so you just get it unloose a bit. That's it guys, as you can see the clip's unclipped, so do that on the opposite side as well. So you get to this stage guys, just a simple fact, it's pulling it down, it should come down. Obviously move the stuff out of the way, be careful of your eyes. There's a lot of debris down here, you can see, so be careful with your eyes. guys, that's the stock intercooler, and that's the upgraded big mount intercooler. So as you can see, we're limited on vents here. So with this system, it's a simple plug and play. As you can see, the nozzles are all the same. Simple plug and play. Alright guys, so I'm going to fit that in. The fitting process is straightforward and simple. You just do the how you took out. Basically you do it in a reverse order, so you put it back in the same way. So obviously you need your two hands to fit it back in. So there's no way you can be holding the camera and trying to do it at the same time, because obviously the intercooler is got a bit of weight on it. So obviously just trying to get up past the radiator. Make your way up. Once you get up, so you keep pushing until you get it up. So once it's up, what you need to do is screw in just point it out. So the screw, the bolt that was in there, and the same with the other side, and when that's now obviously that will hold it up in place. And once that is done, then you can go up to this part, as you can see where my fingers is, where the clamp is, and put the clamp back in place. Alright guys, so let me just do that. That's when you get to this bit here, just make sure you pull everything back over in the right position, and make sure it's clamped in back correctly on both sides. Yeah, and then you're good to go. And make sure these clips are back in place as well. This one's just behind. Make sure your bolts are back in as well. It's a bit difficult to get the bolts in, but what you need to do, because there's at the front there's two different slots for the side of the intercooler to go in, so you make sure it goes into the first slots, and then push it up and hold it, and then that's when you're able to put the screws in. Alright guys, so guys, that's how everything should look once it's all done from underneath. So make sure that's clicked in the right place, and all the bits at the front as well. So make sure both sides are done. So as you can see, it's leveled, and so what I need to do is now is put on the tray. Let me show you how it looks from the front. So that's how it looks from the front. As you can see, it's all black, and it goes up a bit. As you can see guys.